Locutor means thing speaks for itself. Ibijus thing speaks for itself. It's a locutor. If the thing speaks for itself. Ibijus ibi remedium means here there is a right, there is a way. Ibijus ibi remedium means there is a right, there is a remedy. Actus reus means guilty act. Mens rea means guilty mind. Mens rea. Doctrine of pith and substance. Doctrine of pith and substance. Fatalism. Minerva Milk case. Judicial review. Minerva Milk judicial review. Indian Jabalpur case. Habeas corpus during emergency. Habeas corpus. Indira Gandhi case related to 21. Vishaka case related to sexual exploited in workplace harassment. Saban case related to Muslim maintenance. Indian Jabalpur case habeas corpus during emergency. Habeas during emergency. Minerva Mill case judicial review. Minerva Mill. Doctrine of a Pythian substance. Federalism. Federalism means संघवाद. Bar Council of India established. 1961 Bar Council of India. Advocate Act year 1961. Bar Council 1961. Advocate Act year 1961. Advocate Act 1960. 7 lamps of advocacy. Yes, Roscoe. 7 lamps of advocacy. Duty of advocate to court, not to mislead court. Advocate Act 1960. Bar Council 1960. Duty of advocate to client maintain secrecy. Duty of advocate to opponent not to suppress facts. विरोधी suppress fact कोई suppress करेगा लोचेबनी. Contempt of Court Act 1971. Legal Service Authority Act 1987. Legal Service लोक अदालत एस्टैब्लिश 1974. सेक्शन 19 Legal Service Act. Also stands for National Legal Service Authority. Landmark judgment. Maneka Gandhi case 21. Vishaka case. Indian Jabalpur habeas corpus emergency. Normally, it's a review doctrine of pith and substance. Federalism. Mens rea. Guilty mind. Actus reus. Guilty act. Ibijus ibi remedium means it's right as a remedy. Res ipsa locator means speaks for itself. ABC 2016, ସରଫେସି ଆକ୍ଟ 2002, କମ୍ପାନିଜ୍ ଆକ୍ଟ 2013। हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट 1956, हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट 1955, मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ 1937, ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट 1882, स्टेटमेंट एक्ट 1882, ट्रांसफर प्रॉपर्टी 1882, ईजमेंट एक्ट 1882, ट्रस्ट एक्ट 1982, 1882, कंपनी लॉ 2013, सरफेसी एक्ट 2002, ABC 2016, पार्टनरशिप एक्ट 1932, एनआई एक्ट 1881, पार्टनरशिप एक्ट 1932, एनआई एक्ट 1881, एनआई एक्ट सेक्शन 138, लिसनर ऑफ चेक, एनआई एक्ट 1881, पार्टनरशिप एक्ट 1932, एक्ट 2005, आईटी एक्ट 2000, आरटी एक्ट 2005, हिंदी मैरिज 1955, कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट 2019, आर्बिट्रेशन एक्ट 1996, आर्बिट्रेशन मीन्स कंसिलिएशन व mediation, एनआई एक्ट सेक्शन 138, चेक लिसनर 1881, पार्टनरशिप एक्ट 1932, सेल ऑफ गुड्स एक्ट 1930, सेल ऑफ गुड द्रव्य बिक्री लिमिटेशन एक्ट 1963, स्पेसिफिक रिलीफ एक्ट 1963, इंडेमनिटी सेक्शन 124, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट केम इन 1872, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट केम इन valid contract needs offer acceptance, contract offer acceptance consideration by capacity, valid contract needs, minor contract होची void, free consent absent होची free consent बाध्य fraud misrepresentation भूल प्रतिनिधि fraud, consideration must be lawful, breach of contract remedy damages, contract breach हेले damages, breach of contract remedy damages, specific performance section 10, specific relief act, निर्दिष्ट performance section 10, quasi contract chapter भी contract, wagering agreement board section 30, indemnity section 124 contract, section 124 contract, Classic contract of the chapter section 30 specific performance section 10 specific relief act breach of contract damages breach of contract remedy is damage breach of contract भांगले damage section 10 specific performance classic contract chapter भी contract भूल contract अच्छी अर्धा contract withdrawing agreement on February section 30 CPC enacted in 1908 8 CPC joint order होची 7 CPC injection order होची 39 CPC order 39 appeal to High Court section 100 CPC so execution of decree section 36 to 74 CPC Serious general limitation act period for suit yes generally contract act came in 1972 valid contract needs upper acceptance consideration capacity contract act होची 1972 valid contract upper acceptance consideration शेयर की बस limitation act period 3 years generally education of decree section 36 to 74 limitation act 3 years generally CPC on a chart cross examination section 143 cross examination भारतीय न्याय cross examination 143 secondary evidence is copy of document copy primary evidence is original document is primary evidence estoppel section is